In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter stocks by volume in Tradingview Screener. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, identifying stocks with high trading volume can be a game changer. Volume plays a crucial role in understanding market activity, as it reflects how actively a stock is being bought and sold. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use Tradingview's stock screener to pinpoint the most actively traded stocks, helping you make more informed and confident trading decisions. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open Tradingview on your device. Tradingview is the platform we'll be using to access the stock screener tool, which makes it easy to filter and analyze stocks based on specific criteria. If you don't already have it open, now's the time to navigate to the Tradingview website or app. Next, log in to your Tradingview account. Having an account is essential because it allows you to access the screener tools directly from your main dashboard. If you're new to Tradingview and don't already have an account, don't worry, signing up is quick and free. You can find a registration link in the description below to get started. Once you're logged in, look at the top of the screen and click on the Products menu. This is where Tradingview organizes its various tools, including the screeners we'll be using today. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and select screeners. This will take you to the section where you can start filtering stocks based on the criteria that matter most to you. Now, keep in mind that if it's your first time using the screener, it may take a few seconds to load, so be patient if it doesn't appear instantly. After the screener loads, you'll notice that there are different types of screeners available: stocks, forex, and crypto. For today's tutorial, make sure to choose stocks. This ensures that you're only filtering and analyzing stock data, which is our focus here. Once you've selected the stock screener, make sure you're on the Overview tab. This tab is particularly useful because it provides a broad snapshot of the market, giving you key statistics for multiple stocks in one place. It's the best starting point for filtering and narrowing down your choices. Now, let's locate the volume column within the screener. The volume column is critical because it shows how many shares of a stock have been traded over a specific period. High trading volume typically indicates that a stock is more actively traded, making it more liquid and less prone to erratic price movements. This is especially important for technical analysis or short-term trading strategies. At this point, you have two options to focus on stocks with specific trading volumes. You can either apply a filter to the volume column to set your desired criteria, or simply sort the column to display stocks with the highest or lowest volume. Filtering allows you to set specific thresholds, for example, only showing stocks with volumes above a certain number. On the other hand, sorting is a quick way to rank stocks based on their trading activity. Choose the method that best fits your needs. Once you've applied your filter or sorted the column, take a moment to review the results. This filtered list represents the stocks that meet your volume criteria and align with your trading or investing strategy. Now's the time to analyze these results in more detail. Look at other columns like price, market cap, or any additional indicators that are relevant to your approach. Finally, use this filtered list to dig deeper into individual stocks or start making trading decisions. Remember, high-volume stocks are typically easier to trade, as their higher liquidity makes it less likely you'll face large price swings or difficulty entering and exiting positions. They're also less susceptible to price manipulation, giving you more confidence in your analysis. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively filter stocks by volume using Tradingview's stock screener. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.